Welcome to Spa Marketing School. I am Daniela, and today we are diving into the big, beautiful bill. We are talking about a portion of this bill that is eliminating tax on tips for spa professionals. We're also going to couple in a spa software called Tippy, that is an incredible software that is going to help you implement this in a very clean and easy way. All right, so the big beautiful bill, I'm sure you've heard about it in the news. Maybe you haven't dove into all of the aspects of it, but there's a couple of parts in there that are really important for you as a spa professional, whether you are a business owner or you're an employee in the spa. This is going to affect you over the next 3 years. Okay, so this bill was signed into law on the 4th of July, and essentially for tipped workers, estheticians, nail techs, massage therapists, those who are traditionally tipped, you can deduct up to 25,000 in cash tip income from federal taxable income. Okay? Now, the piece that is incredibly important is that your tips must be reported and documented. Okay. They've got to be reported and documented. And so for the spa owner, that is going to mean that you've got to have a very transparent and efficient tip tracking system now more than ever. And this is one of the reasons that I love Tippy. So certain spas and certain practices, they will do cash tips or they'll do Venmo or something like that that the reporting is not there to the level that we are needing to document this and be able to take the deduction. Tippy is a software that is built specifically for salon and spa to take tips and tips on the credit card, which, I mean, how many people actually carry cash these days? And when you're tipping on the credit card, they're seeing a higher tip amount. The processing fee for that credit card is going to the patient or client. The money from the tip goes directly to the provider. And Tippy provides incredible reporting. So they're documenting all of this, which you are going to need when you do your taxes this year. This starts in 2025. So, really important to be on top of this now. Okay, so who is eligible? So, estheticians, spa staff earning less than 150,000 a year can deduct up to 25,000 in reported cash tip income. Okay? You can deduct that from your federal income taxes 2025 through 2028. Okay, this expires. This is only for 3 years. So it's really important that you are aware of that and you know that you're getting this extra tax benefit for those 3 years. Because when that $25,000 deduction goes away, you're going to be like, oh, what happened? I feel like I'm getting paid less. But make sure that you're aware of that and you're, using that additional income strategically. Now, there's also an expansion on the employer tax credit. So this is similar to something that's been going on in the restaurant industry for the restaurant FICA tip credit. This is going to include beauty services. And what this means is that salon and spa owners can reclaim part of the payroll tax they've paid on credit card based tips. Now, this is important because if you are a spa owner, like, oh, if I'm taking credit cards on the tips and it's going through my booking software, I'm paying payroll taxes on those tips and I'm never seeing any of that revenue. So that is, initially where Tippy came in, people were saying, okay, I'm getting rid of the credit card processing fees. And then depending on, how your CPA advises you regarding the payroll tips or the payroll taxes on those tips, they were being the reporting was there. The employee is required to report that income. And so that's how spa owners were saving on the tips. But now that 25,000 up to 25,000 in tips can be deducted from your federal taxes as long as it's documented. So that report is worth its weight in gold. If you're getting cash tips, if it's not documented appropriately, you may not be eligible to receive that. So we want to make sure everything is documented, nice and clean as a whistle. All right, so what is Tippy and how does Tippy help? Tippy is a digital tipping platform tailored to salons. Clients tip via a forward-facing kiosk and or their POS integrated system. The tips go directly to the staff accounts the next day. Now, because tips are logged and reported electronically, your staff can accurately report all of the tips that ensures that they are qualifying for the federal deduction. Spa owners also benefit because there's no more of these like manual tip pools, and you avoid paying taxes on tips that you never received, that payroll thing that we were just talking about. Tippy also is going to reduce your payroll processing fees. Um, and they have been studying this and documenting this, and they are seeing that tips increase by as much as 30% by paying on the credit card. So, really exciting things there. Okay, so let me do a quick recap here. You can deduct your cash tip income up to 25,000 from federal income taxes, but you've got to keep accurate records. If you are an employer, if you own your spa, you can now qualify for a payroll tax credit on tips, saving you payroll taxes. You've got to ensure that you have transparent tip tracking, both for the spa owner and for the staff. And what's really cool about incorporating Tippy again, they're going to do all of this for you. So we're going to post a link in below this video where you can actually get access to Tippy for 1 year for free. We do not have an affiliate relationship with them. We do not earn any money by sharing this. This is just an offer that they do for our community because I think it is such a benefit and it saves so much money for the spa owners. I've believed in Tippy for years now. We've had them on the podcast and they've got this incredible offer for our community. So I'm going to post the link below this video. You can get Tippy for free for 1 year, the hardware and the software. If you don't like it, you can send it back, but make sure that you sign up through our link. And again, this is not an affiliate link. This is a just a service that we believe in that is saving spa owners money and something that we all need right now. Okay. So highly recommend you check them out. This is a win-win situation. This is going to make your life so much easier. And be sure to have the conversation with your CEO, your CPA, or your bookkeeper as well to make sure that you are documenting everything, that you're getting all of the kind of your ducks in a row to make sure that you're receiving the maximum benefit from these new laws that were just put into effect. All right, so check out those links and happy business building.